dogs?
Dogs.
What?
Yeah, dogs.
Yeah, dogs. Do you like dogs?
Dogs.
What?
Yeah, dogs.
Dogs. Do you like dogs?
Oh, dogs. Sure. I like dogs.
1, 2, 3.
In the house, we in the Coliseum. They see I'm on the prowl. Unleash the beast and my flow is tropical. He's from the Caribbean, been getting booked all over the globe. So that you know my lyrics and flows is a code. I'ma let the dogs run wild. They wanna judge but I'm not on trial. I see them watching, it's so hostile. And these dogs wanna cap my style. These dogs wanna cap my style. When I come into the place I sing, I'ma run it out. I'ma go crazy, I'ma go wild. Never got everybody singing that I am wild. I'm an animal, unleash the beast. Tearing the rhythm up over piece by piece. I can see that they really wanna put a leash and leash, but I take the lead, I'ma speed on the beat. Skipping over the rhythm like the reduction, the playground. I can see the others coming up, better stay down. When I hit on the spot, the better break out. It's me the one I make, steakhouse. I find it so funny. I've got a figure besides my own money. They ain't got the stomach that like to show tummy. I know a lot of them try, but don't honey. We're in the building, blow the doors off. Move, 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 move. Who let the dogs out?
I won't ever say semicolon. Turn the cameras away. I'm gonna be the ace in your play cards. Let the dogs run wild. Hang on every word I say. Semicolon. Turn the cameras away. I'm gonna be the ace in your play cards. Let the dogs run wild. Let the dogs run wild. Lord, have mercy on me. I'm about to knock these motherfuckers dead. Lord, have mercy on me. I'm about to knock these motherfuckers dead.
So I'ma go crazy, mental, bonkers, ditto, loony, nutty, balmy, psycho. This is more than history. Stop, side note. I can do this with my eyes closed when I get an idea. Like Bo, now I'm getting claustrophobic. If they wanna bark, I'll be giving the dog a bone. If they wanna start, tell them I'm feeling can't be told. That it's rhythm's hard, they all be splitting carnivores. I'ma let the dogs up out of the cages. I'm on the prowl, you'll hear what's crazy.